Shorts channel has more than 81 million views and many viral videos, but my recent shorts, they don't work really well. Most of them get stuck after the first few thousand hits, again and again and again. I need to break this cycle. So in this video, I will try to create a short completely from scratch, get at least 1 million views, and show me how much money I made from it. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a viral strategy to use in your next short and a complete guide on how to make it regardless of your situation or experience. This is not one of those uses. I have different shorts channels, many of which have millions and millions and millions of views. It's really great ChatGPT and Canva to make 300 videos in 30 minutes, or use this website to make clips from interviews, a kind of training. I've tried them all, and trust me, they don't work at all. After all the effort you put in, you will end up with 0 views. Get 10 million views with those AI-generated shorts. You can't monetize it anyway, because YouTube does not make money from duplicate content. And well, posting 300 mass-produced videos, it's repetitive like Jeff. Back to video. So don't expect a copy-paste tutorial here. You need do the work and learn how to make a viral short. We go through finding video ideas, to write scripts, voiceovers, editing, subtitles, music, sound effects, but first, we need a new strategy. This is my shorts channels, where I make videos about movies like motivational movie scenes and many other things. And this is it, the viral recipe I used to make my shorts. That's basically it. A list of patterns I saw in high-performing videos, although it helped me a few viral shorts before, not so effective anymore. Do you know what Einstein says? Madness. It is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So we need an update. I'm going to do some research to find out what works on it. Shorts, I'll be back soon. So, after 3 hours of serious research, here's the new spell. Now let's get down to business. This was the first mistake I made in my old videos. And if you can't make a viral short, that's probably what you're missing too. If you have a bad video idea, no matter how well you write your script or edit, you can't make it go viral. Good. How to choose a killer video idea. Just look for trends in your niche, or even better, implement a process in place. Of course, it is possible to take an old theme and add your own spice. It might work, but I'm trying to maximize my chances. Well, I have introduced the idea of YouTube without many faces. I have explained it fully. You can see about making short videos with millions of views. This is great. Well, in short, this movie has more chances to go viral than the published interview with the Spider-Man actor 4 years ago. So I search Google Trends for a new movie that fans are excited about. Good. I don't even need to look there because I'm a fan myself. I know Loki Season 2 has a new trailer. This advantage is part of your audience. If you are interested in your position, you already know what's going up. Wait, do you know this man? Very emotional. Anyway, we got the video idea. Now, when it comes to writing a short film, I've always thought I should keep my scripts the same, as short as possible, like a boxer who punches his opponent and backs away. Because all things being equal, which video will get more views? The one who lasts longer, right? Well, now we are going to make such attractive videos easily for free, focusing on a variety of topics, including science, fantasy, history, and art. The Lexica site allows you to use it as a comprehensive resource for images and information. In addition, Lexica offers a variety of content that includes high-quality articles, videos, and photos. An interesting feature of this site is the existence of a section called Spider-Man, which belongs to this popular character from books, movies, and comics. This section contains photos, videos, articles, and news about Spider-Man that will be of interest to fans of the character. Using this site, you can easily find photos and information about Spider-Man and other topics, and even produce short and interesting videos for YouTube. So if you are interested in exploring the world of Spider-Man and other topics, Lexica is a great resource for you. I hope this brief introduction will encourage you to explore and use the Lexica site. Visit www.lexica.com to see the great content this site has to offer. I made a separate video for editing effects, etc. You can watch it. Now we need sound, and I introduced artificial intelligence sites that convert text to sound completely free. In the last video, as you may know, these days there are tools that give you this. They allow you to automatically convert texts to sound. These tools use artificial intelligence technology and allow you to easily convert your texts to sound without the need for specialized knowledge. Some well-known services in this field include Google Text-to-Speech, Amazon Polly, and IBM Watson text-to-speech. These services use artificial intelligence technology to convert texts into sound and provide various facilities such as adjusting the speed and type of sound. These services are very easy to use. You can enter the text you want and then choose the service you want to convert the text into audio. You can then download the resulting audio file or use it directly in your videos and podcasts. Using these tools, you can easily and with high quality convert your texts into audio and add them to your videos and content. Wait for us to take a closer look at these services and how to use them in future videos. Now take a screenshot of the sound you produced and import it into your Adobe Premiere project. Then drag it to the timeline, remove the razor tool and cut all the breaks. Now stack the clips, have a faster walk, listen to see if it is natural, and repeat this for the whole vocalization. Good job. In other words, don't be bored. Now, we need the video to add above. For videos, go to YouTube. Search for things related to UTheme and download them with a random website. If you need more videos and stock images, use Pexels. Then, capture and import all that footage to display. Cover yourself up voiceover with related clips. Don't forget to add 1 or 2 interactive clips to keep viewers engaged. Look at it. You just created a general cut for your video. Now the fun part begins. First, resize all your clips to fit the screen. Use keyframes to add panning, zooming, and camera movements. To straighten them, click this button, click a keyframe, and move these handles closer together. Basically, it causes the movement to start slowly, go faster, and then slow down again. It looks better. Adding some graphics like circles and arrows will increase engagement, he says. And actually, the short that I create in the video now has over 38 million views. Oops. So I added a few things here and there, and again used keyframes to track the points. You can't find one without this one. It's a magic ingredient that's stupidly simple. However, it greatly increases retention. This part is based on personal preference and branding your channel. But to refer you, I use yellow text on a black box. In 2 sizes, a small one for regular subtitles and a large one for highlighting important points. Here are the settings I use if you want to replicate a similar style. But as I said, it is good to make a custom one for yourself. That way, people can recognize it immediately, your video, and stop scrolling. Not if you're using an automatic captioning program, something that everyone else uses. That doesn't make your channel special, does it? So play around, make variations, sizes, colors, and when you're happy with the look, select all effects and create a preset for each style to use next time. Well, that's not the point. See, you have a solid formula. Keep making more videos. You will improve your skills with each one. Okay, I don't know who you are, but thanks. I needed to hear it. 30 days have passed since its release, and while waiting I made 20 more videos with the same formula. So, has it had 1 million views? No, it didn't work, because he got 2 million. After all this research, script writing, and edit, the formula actually worked. But that's not all. A short film about a new film has a better chance of going viral. An interview with Spider-Man actor. Well, I was wrong. I wrote about that short interview, and got 7 million views. Now this video has the most views in the entire channel, so 15 million views in less than a month, earning 7 times more than the entire history of the channel, and put the channel back on track. So here is the recipe and everything I used, packaged in a video. Just adjust them for your niche and make your list. However, the last short I posted was a month ago. Views go, it was cut off again. The channel is losing power. I need to break this cycle, but I guess this time I'm not alone. So, let's do it one last time. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It gives me a lot of energy until the next video. God bless you.